Perfect for contract work, remodeling, or professional carpentry, the new Milwaukee M18 1/4-inch Orbital sander optimizes performance and productivity on the work site. Offering a powerful 13K Max Opm and premium dust collection, Milwaukee have built a handy sander to replace your corded unit. With low vibration and enhanced ergonomics for more comfort and user control, the new design reduces fatigue. You get a variable speed dial offering adjustments from 13 to 11K OPM, and using Milwaukee's own Red Link technology to ensure maximum performance and protection from overloads, heating, and over discharge. You also get up to 95% dust collected for a cleaner work environment and less cleanup time, with the durable cotton dust bag and universal hose adapter providing compatibility with a wide range of vacuum sizes. The sander also has a 2-step clamp and hook and loop system allowing quick and easy sandpaper changes. Included with the sander is a 120 and 220 grit sandpaper, a paper punch, and a universal hose adapter. You can check them out at your nearest trade tools store or online at tradetools.com.